Oh, what are we eating here then, Fatty? What's going on? Oh, that's nice.
Having a feta salad, Greek feta salad with a lemon and oil drizzle and a tomato, basil and brie sandwich.
There you go, look.
Oh,
Your first whistle.
first whistle! Yay!
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze,
Just having a lovely day at Ainsdale Beach. Just drove the van onto the beach, just parked up. It's very busy, but it's actually quite peaceful even though it is so busy. Tina's just making food in the kitchen, like a good lady wife she is. And I'm just chilling with a Coke. Oh, what are we eating here then, Fatty? What's going on? Oh, that's nice.
Having a feta salad, Greek feta salad with a lemon and oil drizzle and a tomato, basil and brie sandwich.
Ooh. Doing the dishes with the hot water for the first time.
Yep.
Lovely. Do you want me to move?
Yes, please. Washing dishes in the van. Fancying it. Using all our bits and bobs. And the sink.
Was the water hot enough?
Yeah. Yeah. And it doesn't leak either. This sink's better than the one we've
Do you
got
know
in our own
if that's
kitchen.
meant to be next to that so you're not dripping it all over there?
Oh, he tells me. There we go.
Just my woman doing wife stuff.
I've never been so excited to wash a dish in my
I've
life.
never seen you do housework with such keenness.
Look at this. It's better to tap than in the house.
Good, careful.